Exponents with multiple terms. An exponent may have more than one term, such as 5 to the x plus 2 power. By definition, terms are either added to or subtracted from one another. The multiplication properties of exponents allow us to translate the addition or subtraction of exponents into multiplication or division of terms. A to the b power times a to the c power equals a to the b plus c power, or reversing the direction, a to the b plus c power equals a to the b power times a to the c power. A base raised to an exponent with n terms can be treated as a multiplication of n bases raised to each of the terms on the original exponent. For example, a to the m plus n power equals a to the m power times a to the n power. A to the m minus n power can be written as a to the m power times a to the negative n power, which also equals a to the m power divided by a to the n power. This is the multiplication property of exponents done in the opposite direction. How would you find an equivalent expression for this such that the exponent in the new expression has only one term? Discuss. If we start with 4 to the x plus 3 power, we can divide this up into 4 to the x power times 4 to the third power. 4 to the third power is 64. Therefore, we have 64 times 4 to the x power. This is as far as we can proceed. We cannot multiply 64 and 4 since 4 is raised to the power of x while 64 is not. Whether this form is more or less useful depends on the problem. Find an equivalent expression for this. Alright, first let's break this up into 2 to the x power times 2 to the negative 2 power. 2 to the negative 2 can be rewritten as, 2 to the x times 1 over 2 to the second power. 1 over 2 to the second power is 1 over 4. So we still have that 2 to the x. So this can be rewritten as 0.25 times 2 to the x power. This is as far as we can proceed. We can't multiply 0.25 and 2 since 2 is raised to the power of x while 0.25 is not.